Welcome back. This is Aileen. Let's look at another sample question on earned value for the PMP exam. When I look at this sample question, I see we have a diagram. It shows earned value, planned value, actual cost. The question is asking me, are we ahead or behind schedule? Are we under or over budget? What I like about the diagram, there are no numbers on the diagram. The first thing I write down is my equation for schedule variance. SV equals earned value minus planned value. I go to my diagram. I see that my earned value number would be greater than my planned value number. This means my schedule variance is positive. Positive variances are good. I am ahead of schedule. Now I write down my equation for cost variance. Cost variance equals EV minus AC. I go to my diagram. I see that my EV is higher up on the diagram than my AC. This tells me that my cost variance is a positive number. Positive numbers, positive variances are good. This means I am under budget. I go back to my question. I find the answer ahead of schedule and under budget. Again, this is Aileen. I hope this question helped you. Remember, we have face-to-face classes, online classes, and books to help you prepare for the PMP exam. Good luck. Thank you.